Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel, and I've been shopping again, and this time I went to my local Dollar Tree store, and then I made a trip to St. George, Utah and went to Joann Fabrics and Crafts. Okay, let's get started. Now this is a tiny little purse. I'm not sure why I bought it, but when I looked at it, it made me kind of put an idea into my head for a tutorial, not necessarily just like this. I liked it because it was almost stitched together in something like a basket shape. So this could be a really cute gift idea for maybe a little girl. This is a little organizer that you put over the back of your chair. And so it's just plastic, and so you open it up, and I thought what I could do is duplicate it, something like that, and make it as a gift idea. This is a beginner's cross-stitch project. It's really tiny. It comes with a frame, and this is a great way for you to get yourself introduced to cross-stitch. It's not a difficult stitching to do at all. But also this could make a nice little gift idea for someone. You put their initial on it. They could, if you're somebody you work with, they could hang it up on the wall or on their desk, or you can give this to a child. They can put it on their bulletin board in their bedroom. So it's really cute. It also is a great way to learn to do cross stitch. Now, if you are interested in learning how to do cross stitch, I have many tutorials on it. So you want to just start out with lesson number 1, and it will introduce you to the supplies and show you how to do the basic stitch. So just scroll down below your YouTube screen to the description section and click on the word more, and it will expand open and you will see the link. I was running out of these small gift bags because throughout the year I make all types of samples in my videos, and I will use those samples to give out as gifts. So I usually, if it's something small, I'll put them in these little tiny bags because I don't want to just go here. I thought it's nice to put it in a little bag. Now if I'm giving a gift to a man, something that I've made, for instance the necktie, I'll just put it in a plain colored bag because I don't want to intimidate them by getting too frilly. So my next stop was at Joann Fabrics and Crafts, and they were having a really big sale in the store, so I had a great time. I love buying baskets, and I bought this little red one because I was thinking I could use this at Christmas time. So there's several different things I could do with this. I could make one of those basket liners and using Christmas fabric, maybe putting pom-pom fringe on the end, and then using it maybe to put baked goods in it for the holiday table. Or I could make a really nice artificial arrangement, putting artificial Christmassy looking flowers in it, but also making some other hand sewn items that I could stick in it as a decor. In my previous shopping haul, I had bought some embroidery thread, this kind of silver color. It wasn't quite the right shade when I started putting it with my cross-stitch project that I was working on. So while I was there, Joann's had a bigger selection, and so I was able to get a color that works better. Now, I already had some pineapple fabric that I also purchased a while ago, but then I found this at Joann's where it was just a little different color and a little different pattern. These are more structured. They're all facing the same direction, whereas my other one, the pineapples were facing all different directions. So I've been working on a pineapple block pattern. I don't quite have it refined yet, but I thought I would use some of this pineapple fabric in some way in that project. This is outdoor fabric, and I often use outdoor fabric for making tote bags as well as table runners. But this one I bought to make a tote bag. I thought it'd be a nice bag for summer. So usually when I make a tote bag, I buy a ½ yard of fabric. Now if I want to use the same fabric for the straps, I may buy another 1/8 of a yard to make the straps out of. As I walked into Joann's, right near the front door, they had a big display of 70% off clothing fabrics. And I don't know if you can see the metallic shimmer in this, but this fabric is so beautiful. I'm going to make a blouse out of it. I haven't decided if I want it long sleeve, 3/4 sleeve, or short sleeve, but I just love it. Now here's some more fabric that's for clothing, and when I was up at the counter getting it cut, whenever they have a little extra left over on the bolt, they offer it to you at a big discount. I don't remember how much it was, but it was quite a bit. So I went ahead and took it. It's much more than I need, but I'm sure I'll find something to make out of it. And again, this could be a blouse, a dress. It's just really, really pretty. Now, this fabric will also be a blouse. Now, it's not usually a color that I wear, but somehow I just like it. I don't usually wear gray because I feel it makes me look kind of gray, but it had a little bit of yellow in it, so I felt it would probably be okay. But it's a really lightweight fabric and a great fabric for making a blouse. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul. When you go to Joann's, make sure you use the Joann coupon app. You have it right on your phone. And when you go up to the checkout counter, they will just scan all of the coupons. You open up the coupon, and then at the very bottom of your screen on your cell phone, you'll see a little pair of scissors. That's the coupon section, so click on that, and there will be a lot of coupons in there. So they'll just scan all those coupons and look for ones that apply to your purchases. So because I got the fabric, a lot of it off at 70% off, plus all the other items were on sale, I really saved a lot of money, so don't forget that app. Now, check below your YouTube screen for a variety of links. One link I have down there is clothing. I've been getting a lot of questions about all of the items behind me. And yes, there are tutorials on all of these. Even if you don't like the clothing that you see behind me, but you want to learn how to make clothing, watching those tutorials will teach you how to do a neckline, how to do a sleeve, how to do a basic hem, put a zipper into a dress. So they're all very educational, even if you don't really want to make that particular project. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.